I love getting fresh air into the house, but I absolutely hate the bugs that come with it. Regular screen doors are clunky and ugly, so I decided to test out the top 5 retractable screen doors to see which ones actually work. I installed these myself to see which slides smooth and which is just a waste of cash. Product number 1, Customize Retractable Screen Door. I started with this custom sizing model. When I pulled the aluminum frame out of the box, it felt surprisingly lightweight but rigid, not flimsy like some cheap plastic ones I've used. Since it's customizable, I was able to get a fit that looked like it came with the house. The mesh is decent. I ran my hand across it, and it feels tight enough to stop mosquitoes but transparent enough to keep the view clear. The sliding mechanism was pretty smooth during my testing, snapping back without getting stuck in the housing. It's a solid standard option if you just want something that disappears when you aren't using it. If you need a basic, clean look for a patio door that doesn't cost a fortune, this is a great starting point. But if you have pets who like to scratch at things. Product number 2, Yatesh Retractable Screen Door. That brings me to the Yatesh, which is built differently. Immediately, I noticed the mesh felt thicker and more tear-proof than the first one. If you have a dog or cat that paws at the door, this is the material you want. My favorite feature, though, is the security lock. Most retractable screens just slide open, but this one actually latches, which gave me a bit more peace of mind. The magnetic closure is strong, too. It snaps shut with a satisfying click so you don't have to double-check it. I tested it by letting it snap back a few times, and the frame handled the impact well. It's definitely the rugged choice. If you have pets or kids running around and need something that can take a beating, this is the one I'd recommend. However, if you want something easier to install. Product number 3, Custom Size Retractable Screen Door Canada. I moved on to this Canadian-made model. The first thing that caught my eye was the finish on the white aluminum. It looks really premium and blends perfectly with white door frames. The big selling point here is the no-drill installation claim. I was skeptical, but when I set it up, the tension mounting system actually held firm without me having to put holes in my door frame. The mesh visibility is excellent. Honestly, from a few feet away, I couldn't even tell the screen was there. It slides very quietly, almost silent, which is nice if you're coming in late at night. Because it ships from Canada without duties, the value is there for the quality you get. If you are renting or just terrified of drilling holes in your expensive door frame, this is the safest bet. But speaking of low profiles. Product number 4, Low Profile Folding Screen Door. I grabbed this next one because it specifically highlights a low-profile track. When I laid the bottom track down, I noticed it was much flatter than the others. This is a huge deal if you have a high-traffic doorway because you won't be constantly tripping over a raised metal bar. The screen itself uses a folding style rather than a roller, which gives it a cool, modern look when it expands. I tested the slide action back and forth about 50 times, and it stayed on the track perfectly without derailing. It feels very stable. It works for both single and double doors, which adds some versatility. If you have elderly family members or just hate stubbing your toe on door thresholds, this low-profile design is the winner. Now for the most versatile option I tested. Product number 5, No Drilling Folding Screen Door. Finally, I tested this versatile folding screen. It's very similar in build to the previous one with the aluminum frame, but I found this one was the easiest to customize for odd spaces like a bedroom balcony or a kitchen side door. The no-drill aspect here relies on strong adhesive backing and tension, which held up surprisingly well when I gave it a firm tug. The mesh feels airy, letting a ton of breeze through while blocking the bugs. I really liked how compact the housing is. When the screen is retracted, you barely notice it's installed. It's great for French doors too. If you have a unique door size or a spot in the house that isn't a standard patio entrance, this custom fit option is going to be your best friend. Adding a retractable screen is the best upgrade you can make for summer. Whether you need a pet-proof barrier or a no-drill solution for an apartment, one of these will do the trick. I've listed the links to all 5 in the description so you can grab the right size for your door. Thanks for watching.